How easy is it to learn Moldovan? How easy is it to learn Moldovan? This question is quite interesting, especially for those curious about languages in Southeast Europe. Moldovan is often viewed as a variety of Romanian. This means that if you know Romanian, picking up Moldovan will be quite simple. The grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure are almost identical. For speakers of Romanian, learning Moldovan is a breeze. Now, what if you speak a different language from Southeast Europe? For example, if you know Bulgarian, Serbian, or Greek, learning Moldovan might be a bit more challenging. However, it is still manageable. Moldovan, like Romanian, is a Romance language. This means it shares Latin roots with Italian, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. If you are familiar with any of these languages, you will find some similarities in vocabulary and grammar. One thing to note is that Moldovan uses the Latin alphabet. This is different from the Cyrillic script used in some neighboring countries. If you come from a background that uses Cyrillic, you will need to adjust to the Latin letters. In Southeast Europe, the distinction between Moldovan and Romanian is often seen as political rather than linguistic. Both forms are mutually intelligible. In Moldova, most people speak what is called Moldovan or Romanian. This language is used in schools, media, and government. Recent census data shows that a large majority of Moldova's population identifies their mother tongue as either Moldovan or Romanian. This reflects the shared cultural and linguistic heritage of the region. Learning Moldovan can open doors for better communication with Moldovan communities. It also allows access to regional literature and media, enriching your understanding of the culture. If you are interested in the history or politics of Moldova, knowing the language can be quite beneficial. For those already comfortable with Romanian, learning Moldovan is just about adjusting to local pronunciation and some regional vocabulary. The differences are minimal, making it easy to transition. In summary, Moldovan is easy for Romanian speakers and manageable for speakers of other Romance languages. For speakers of non-Romance Southeast European languages, it may take more effort, but the shared Latin roots make it accessible. The distinction between Moldovan and Romanian is mainly political, not linguistic, and both are vital parts of the region's identity. If you already know Romanian, you will pick up Moldovan quickly. For others in Southeast Europe, it is a useful language to learn for travel, work, or connecting with the region's rich culture.